Do you want to know the best Google Ads practices? I know you want to know from me because I many people have asked me this question. What are the good Google Ads practices you follow? So what I did was I did an informal session with my team. Let's discuss on what are the good Google Ads best practices to follow, and then after having a detailed informal session, we come up with some points which we think can help you, my audience, on how to take the maximum out of Google Ads. So few points are basic. So let's get started with this. First of all, the Google Tech phone support is very responsive but gives poor advice to improve conversions. Lead their advice seems to be geared to maximize their billing costs. So which we have observed all the time is that Google Ad support want you to spend more and more on the platform. So I think that they're more or less they are hired for this purpose rather than helping people with technical aspects. So we have so far seen that my team is more expert or more knowledgeable than this. So we have tried and tested again and again, and we have come to this conclusion. And the second, is regarding the keywords ad bidding strategy. So in my opinion, the exact match keyword is one of the best bidding strategy to be followed, and the second is phrase match. Broad match, not at all. This was an old saying, but now you can do broad match with smart bidding. Okay, so broad match with smart bidding is now acceptable as well. Okay, also, I wanted to add on keywords. The most important thing with any keyword is not their search volume, is the buying intent, is the intent with which they are searching a particular query. So it doesn't matter if you have hundreds of keywords or less keywords. If you don't know what is the intent behind the keyword, you will never be able to get success. So this is another thing which we have learned over the time. Also, we have to feel that AI generated keywords never produce results. Why? Because they are not focused to the intent. So I think that intent is very important to learn. And if you follow the intent, you have to catch up with your ad, relevant ad, account structure, and your landing page all answers that intent with which user has clicked on your ad. So it's a complete cycle. It may seem easy, but it's not as easy as we think. And performance max campaigns, we know when it started, it wasn't producing results. We were like, no, it's just a waste of time. But over the time, when the technology has evolved, I think now performance max also works well. So when it started, my opinion was no, performance max doesn't work well, but now I can say that yeah, it do works well as well. And another thing which we have discussed is majority of time we use search campaigns with detailed geography included, excluded locations, day and time schedules specified, and demographics detailed. But some areas are just too expensive to run ads. So your cost per conversion also need to be as per your area. It's a good decision to spend less money in expensive areas and spend more money in the areas where we are getting cheap or economical leads. But some clients have different opinion. Some clients want to do branding, so they are running in those areas as well. I'm not saying to not run at all, because I do not want to give competitors a place to run, but I am saying to spend less in that areas. Also, Google hosted submitted lead forms conversions are a false conversion results. For me, it's either phone call ads or calls from the website using Google Analytics, and call from website conversion tags works well. But the Google hosted submit lead form conversions are not up to the mark. Also, we track cost per contact and cost per contract as my most important metrics. Bid strategy is to maximize conversions, which I have been speaking in many of the videos regarding. I have speaking for maximize conversions in many places. But apart from maximize conversion, bid impression share is also good. But you need to know how to run it and which ad position is working well for you. Another thing I have observed is the search network partners are just a waste of time and money. So, with the 90% plus cases, we have not so far got good results, but they were just spammy results. So they increase our cost. Another thing is we keep our ads 100% optimized and being rated as excellent. I think that this is another priority which we do. And another thing is that the Google algorithm is buggy and not close to perfect. So you have to really understand the result reporting, and what matters the most from the Google algorithm is what results you are getting. So I think these are the best practices which we are following. But if I'm missing anything, you're more than welcome to add. And what kind of Google Ads bidding strategies Google Ads best practices you are following, you are more than welcome to add. It could be probably someone may be doing STAG, single theme ad groups. They may be working well for you with the best account structure. Some days are working well for you. You are more than welcome to add those. How you are tackling click fraud. What role do you think the landing page has in optimizing the Google Ads strategy? You are more than welcome to add all of these and more in the comment section, and I will be looking forward for your comments. Thank you for watching, and I look forward for your comments.